Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a summer special sugar-free raw mango sherbet ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the mango sherbet, first I'm soaking some Saja seeds, and for that into a small katori I'm adding in 1 teaspoon Saja seeds. Saja seeds, also known as basil seeds, has cooling properties. Hence, it's ideal to use in the summers. Add in some water, give it a stir, and allow it to swell up. It should get ready in about 5 to 7 minutes. Note that basil seeds and chia seeds are different. I have already shared a detailed video on the difference between basil seeds and chia seeds. Please do check them out. But I'm using 2 medium-sized raw mangoes. I'm going to peel the skin of the mangoes and then roughly chop them. Okay, the mangoes are roughly chopped. I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, now the basil seeds has swelled up. I'm going to keep this aside. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the roughly chopped raw mango pieces. Add in 3 cups of water. Half teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt. 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. A handful of mint leaves. Half of a green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. A small piece of ginger which I am roughly slicing and adding in. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Okay, now it's nicely blended. Strain the mango sherbet into a bowl. You can refrigerate the strained mango sherbet and use it chilled. To serve the mango sherbet into a serving glass, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon soaked Saja seeds. Pour the prepared mango sherbet. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my healthy, quick and easy mango sherbet is ready to serve. If you prefer, you can add in some ice cubes or serve the mango sherbet chilled. So guys, do try this healthy mango sherbet and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.